So, okay, we are connecting with Harshita, right? Who is basically hailed from Jaipur. So, Harshita, first. Harshita, first introduce yourself.
Hello, everybody. I'm Harshita Sharma and I'm working professional. I'm working in an MNC from last 10 years in finance and accounts, and I'm working as a manager in that particular company, working for the US gaps and reporting for SEC reporting for US government. So that's it.
So, Harshita has chosen our institute for US CPA course. And so let's first listen from her mouth, her experience with our institute.
Okay, so first of all, when the thought creeped in of doing the CPA, I was like very much confused about which coaching institutes to choose because there were like ample of them when you search it on Google. So like any other student, even I was very much confused. And what I did is like I approached to many of them, and AKPIS was one of them. So from the first interaction, I think I just spoke to the main faculty, and that was the thing that just gave me kind of impression that I think these are the people I can rely on, because most of them, I mean the other institute in the industry was like I was not able to reach out to the main faculty. So that was the key point, that I think that that is a luring thing for a student to have a comfort zone to start with.
Yeah, so taking this question further, how important actually is it for the students to, communicate with the main faculty from time to time? What is the significance of this, especially for the
I
USCP
think
course?
I think since this course is a bit different from the the courses that we are doing in India, and the curriculum is also a bit different. So I think having a one-to-one interaction, especially with the person who is teaching you, would help us to just resolve the day-to-day difficulties or the problems that we are facing while just studying the topics.
Right. And how important the live classes they are actually for this USCPS course?
Yeah, so I think like for people like who are like more prone to procrastination, like maybe like me, so I think the live classes, that adds a benefit because you have a regular timings, you have to attend the class. And the second thing is like there is a schedule that you have to follow, and sir is like very particular about the the topics and the timelines that he provides us, and he ensures that we are completing that. And in case of if we just miss the classes, we have like other options of having the recorded sessions as well.
Right.
So I think that is beneficial for sure.
So it is a general tendency as to we try our little best to take up the doubts of the students timely. So how important it is actually for the student to get the doubts and the queries resolved on a timely basis, get them on time. So
Yeah,
how the
I
AKPS
think
actually.
yeah I yeah, I think time is the main feature of grasping any topic, because if even if you have studied some topic in live classes as well, and if you're, because when you are like somebody is teaching you, then the topics flows in the flow. But then when you are yourself studying it, there is a vast difference, and there are certain some of the key things that you might have missed, or maybe you're not able to crack the questions or the MCQs that are there in the CPA exams. So that would help us to just understand the topic with the the main conceptual things of the topic, and it would just help us in cracking out the MCQs by the time when we are finishing the course.
Right. And see, Harshita, it is the study pattern of Shami Saluja sir is like he always first give few instances before starting the topic, right? So what
Yeah,
is the
yeah.
importance of starting the topic from the scratch level so that it can be taken at an advanced level? How important actually it is for the the CPA curriculum?
Mhm. I think for the people who are already working, so it's been a long time we are not in touch with their studies. So sir makes us understand from the basics of the accounting, so that we can just kind of recall those basic things that is actually required to understand the higher version of the accounting skills.
Right. And how would you rate AKPS Institute on a scale of 10 if I would ask this very particular question from you?
Okay, so personally, if I would say, I would rate, of course, 10 out of 10, because the support that I'm getting, and the kind of studies that we are just doing currently, and the classes and support, everything is like, it is fabulous. No doubt, I think that I have chosen the best one.
Okay. So thank you, Harshita.